welcome to Story Time at Deschutes Public Library. My name is Miss Chandra, and I am so glad that you could join us today. Now, today our rhymes are all about different kinds of birds. Everywhere you go in the world, if you look in the sky, if you look on the trees, if you look on the ground, you'll see all kinds of different birds. I wonder what birds we'll meet today. To get started, we're going to start with our song called Hi, Hello, and How Are You? Are you ready? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? How are you today? Good. I'm so glad to hear that. Now, to start off, we're going to do a flannel board about some owls. I wonder how many owls we'll have. Can you count them with me while I put them on the board? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 hoot owls. Can you show me your fingers? Good job. Ready? 5 hoot owls sitting in a tree. 1 flew away. How many do you see? How many are on there? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right, because 5 minus 1 is 4. Are you ready? 4 hoot owls sitting in a tree. 1 flew away. How many do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. That's right, because 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 hoot owls sitting in a tree. 1 flew away. How many do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2. That's right, because 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 hoot owls sitting in a tree. 1 flew away. How many do you see? Let's count it. 1. That's right, because 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 hoot owl sitting in the tree. It flew away. How many do you see? None, because 1 minus 1 is 0. Good job! That was very good counting. Now, I brought my very special box with me today. And inside, I have some very interesting things. Do you want to find out what they are? Here's my box with something inside. What could it be? I'll open it up so you can look. Tell me what you see. What is that? Wait, it's got a... I can't get it to stand up quite right. A tail. It's a peacock. That's right. The male peacocks have these wonderful, beautiful feathers on them. I wonder what else is in my box. Are you ready? Here's my box with something inside. What could it be? I'll open it up so you can look. Tell me what you see. What is it? It's a penguin. Very good. Here's my box with something inside. What could it be? I'll open it up so you can look. Tell me what you see. What is it? It's a hummingbird. They fly very, very fast, don't they? Ready? Here's my box with something inside. What could it be? I'll open it up so you can look. Tell me what you see. Wait, that's not a bird. What is that? That's a mouse, isn't it? You're not a bird. Let's try one more time. Ready? Here's my box with something inside. What could it be? I'll open it up so you can look. Tell me what you see. What is that? You often see them at the beach or around water. It's a seagull. Good job! You know lots of different kinds of birds. So we're going to do a little song. This one is called Two Little Blackbirds. Now, to make your blackbirds, can you hold up one finger? And 2 fingers. Ready? Goes like this. 2 little blackbirds, 2 little blackbirds, sitting on a hill, sitting on a hill. One named Jack, one named Jack, the other named Jill, the other named Jill. 2 little blackbirds, 2 little blackbirds, flew away, flew away. Jack flew back, Jack flew back. Then came Jill, then came Jill. Good job! Now, I have another flannel board about different kinds of birds. And this one starts with an owl again. Goes like this. Ready? Owl in the tree goes hoo, hoo, hoo. Owl in the tree goes hoo, hoo, hoo. Owl in the tree goes hoo, hoo, hoo. Skip to the loo, my darling. What other bird might we have? What is that? That is a robin. Ready? Robin in the nest goes tweet, tweet, tweet. Robin in the nest goes tweet, tweet, tweet. Robin in the nest goes tweet, tweet, tweet. Skip to the loo, my darling. What other kind of bird might we have? What's that one? That's a duck. Where do we see the duck? In a pond. Duck in the pond goes quack, quack, quack. Duck in the pond goes quack, quack, quack. Duck in the pond goes quack, quack, quack. Skip to the loo, my darling. Now we have a rooster. What do roosters say? Cock-a-doodle-doo! That's right. Are you ready? Rooster in the yard goes cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster in the yard goes cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster in the yard goes cock-a-doodle-doo. Skip to the loo, my darling. Now we have one last bird, and this one is a dove. Let's get him flying. There we go. And he is going to be flying high. Are you ready? Dove flying high goes coo, coo, coo. Dove flying high goes coo, coo, coo. Dove flying high goes coo, coo, coo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Good job! So we have an owl, a robin, a duck, a rooster, and a dove. Very good. All right. Now, we are going to do a little lap bounce. So if you are sitting close to somebody, you might want to sit in their lap. This is my frog, Jeremiah, and we're going to do 1, 2, 3. So you're just going to sit on the lap and bounce up and down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Baby's on my knee. Rooster crows and away he goes. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3. Baby's on my knee. Rooster crows and away he goes. Good job! Thank you so much for joining us today. And we're going to finish off with a song called The Babies and Kids Are on Their Way. So you can do some bouncing and some clapping. Ready? Here we go. The babies and kids are on their way. Goodbye, my babies, goodbye. They'll all be back another day. Goodbye, my babies, goodbye. Goodbye, 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 my babies, goodbye. Goodbye, 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 my babies, goodbye. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. We'll see you next time.